Hi everybody, my name is Rimon Sami. I am a BIM specialist and I have a 13 years of experience in bridges and infrastructure. The video you are about to see is how to build the iGirder bridge from scratch with one add-ins. The add-in is called AutoBRIDGE. These add-ins will enable you to build any kind of bridges like cast-in-situ, segmental, and iGirder bridge. There are many features for these add-ins. We will talk about it literally. But today we will talk about iGirder bridge. Let's go. Okay, first, to build any kind of bridge, we need to have alignment, profile, and super elevation. So I have a sample project on Civil 3D. I will tell you how to start. So I will start with a profile. To get profile data, we need to go Reports Manager. Okay, we will find Reports Manager and Toolbox. Toolbox, Reports Manager, and Profile, BVI Station. Right click, execute, and save it. Second, we need to go super elevation, right click, open editor, export data. Okay, for alignment, we will export alignment to DXF file. Okay, okay, that's it. Next, we will open AutoCAD. This file, open it. In AutoCAD, we need to rename and join this alignment. Okay, all alignment, E, join, select all alignment. I have a one poly curve now. Second, we need to change layer to unique layer. That's it. Maybe color red. And project I save it. AutoBRIDGE GWG. Okay. That's it. Fine. Now open Revit. So when you set up AutoBRIDGE add-ins, you will find the template file on the template list. First, we need to import the AutoCAD alignment. Insert, LinkCAD, Bridge, AutoCAD, by shirt. Now we have alignment on Revit. Second, we need to fill profile data and super elevation. Okay, so we will start with the profile data. You remember the Excel file, we save it from Civil 3D. Profile data. In another video, I will tell you how to fill this profile automatically, but I need to fill it manually to understand what we can do. That's it. So insert row. We will go on super elevation. First, I need to put super elevation without value. The first super elevation 0 and the last super elevation is the last profile in alignment. So, and the value 0 and the value 0. Okay, now I have a profile super elevation. Let's try what we can do. Open AutoBRIDGE add-ins. Let's go with the iGirder bridge option 2 by range. Now select highway profile schedule. This is schedule. Second, super elevation. This super elevation. and alignment name, AutoBRIDGE align. That's it. Next, slab family, pier head, but you can use any pier head family, you can create it by yourself, but this is a default with the add-ins. AutoBRIDGE, double side. Okay, this is a framing family, peering family. I have one column family. This is a column or pier family, foundation family, any foundation family. And next, this is a start station where you need to start your bridge. I will start with 500. Its span, the span is 45, um, maybe 9. That's it. This is the foundation level. This is the pier number of piers. So I need two piers. This is spacing between piers. I need to five. This is a few design of pier head, piering, and depths. So you need to look of this bridge width and number of beams. If you need chamfer of pier head, pavement, and slab depth. Okay, just run it. Okay, this is a report. Number of slab, 9 slab, 10 crosshead, 7 2 framing, piering, piers, foundation. Okay, okay, let's see. What is the piering? Maybe it's hidden. Yes. Now we have a piering. All is perfect. You see the framing. Can control spacing, span. You can control anything. Let's go with the super elevation. Now I will test the super elevation. Super elevation, no slope, because we didn't have super elevation here. So let's try our super elevation. Open super elevation. This one. This file. I will remove all unused column to focus. Let's try to run again. Now we have a super elevation. So what if we need to put specific station? So we will try another features in AutoBridge. We'll remove this and try to put specific stations here in this schedule. Insert some row. Start station with 500, second station with 525, and 100. So let's try another features in iGirder Bridge and AutoBridge. So I will first we will try it as the option 2 by range. I will try now option 2 by table. So profile and super elevation and layer name like what we're doing before. Here I will put station schedule from here. Station schedule. Next. Here it's different before the option 2 by range. This is the start key and end key. Start station, start row and end row. So maybe you save many of station here, but you need to run from 2 to 4, from 4 to 7, any number you need to run it. So I will try from 1 to 7. Okay, number of here to maybe 5. I will run again. Let's see what will happen. All is done. Okay, you see what happened now. See, specific station. So what if you have road crossing here and I need to make our pier skew? So we will try this feature now. First, we need to know the angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will put 4 and 5. This is maybe minus this number, minus this number. Okay, okay, we will try again with a new feature. Let's see what happened in top view. This is very beautiful features. We have now skew pier and the super elevation is okay and every level of beams is accurate with a skew and specific station. Okay, so next video we'll talk about the option 1 in iGirder Bridge. This option will enable you to make iGirder Bridge with the equal beam. All beam will be equal and we will take variation in crosshead. We will talk about this in next video. So if anyone interested for the AutoBridge add-ins, please write in comment. I will send you all details. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.